Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we're gonna put a tow hook on this 2009 Honda Civic EXL. We got the old black one, but somehow it turned into like a bronze color. So yeah, and a lot of you guys are commenting about putting bolts, so we decided to put this red one in there today. So first of all, we need to remove the bolt and then the washer. So because of this bolt, once you turn it, this side is going to turn in loose. So you gotta make sure you have a crescent wrench to grab it on this side, and then use a socket on the other side to tighten it up. Okay. So I'm gonna go in between the hook right there. Slap this on. Push the, yeah. Gonna put the washer in first, and then the nut. And then I'm gonna do some adjustment. How high you want? Pull up, Joe. Is it too tight?
A little bit.
Alright, loosen up. Now you gotta push it down, loosen up. Push down the tow hook. Yeah. This is too tight. That's it, that's it.
Where's a good spot?
Whatever you like.
Straight there.
And tighten up the bolt on one side first. Okay. Let me help you. Use a crescent wrench to grab it on this side. Oh wait. Okay, yeah. Do this side first. Hold on, let me grab it. There you go. Good?
Yeah.
The last time you step on it, and there you go. Just a quick tutorial. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.